and Rover original car host small board modification tutorial. First, we unscrew the 4 screws on the lid. Unplug the cable inside. We're going to take out the main board now. After screwing the screws, remove the main board above. The next step is to take the small main board below. After the 2 main boards of the original car were taken out, we need to replace the main board with our mainframe shell. Use the removed screws to put the main board back on. The next is to install heat dissipation silicone. Just stick the heat dissipation silicone on the CPU and put it back on the main board. Screw on. And put the back of our main board. Pay attention to the installation direction of the cable. After closing the lid back, fix it with screws, and it's done.